Germany is world-renowned for its traditional Christmas wood art, especially the Ore Mountain region, known in German as the Erzgebirge. The Carmel Christkindlmarkt is thrilled to offer guests the unique opportunity to see demonstrations by a master German woodworker of the Erzgebirge. Witness the inspired ingenuity of a German woodturner or the delicate precision of a master carver. These craftsmen are known and celebrated the world over for their skill and dedication to traditional handmade German wood art. Visit the Carmel Christkindlmarkt and see for yourself why the craftsmen of the Erzgebirge are legendary. Be sure to check carmelchristkindelmarkt.com for the full schedule of demonstrations.